Glowberry toys, let's play! We must work together to finish this job.
Hearing the news, the excavator drove forward and used its strong arm to remove the sand pile. Slowly and carefully, it cleared the road again.
After many hours of teamwork, the sandy road was finally smooth and ready to use. As the sun began to set, the three vehicles rested together. They knew that by working as a team, they could solve any problem and complete any mission.